Okay. Hello everyone, I'm 申新辅, and then I want to introduce my proposal. And here's my topic: procedure model for SOA-based integration of enterprise systems. And here's this article's background. Is the enterprise want to integrate integration of ECM and ERP system. And when they consider improve their international competitions. And the research question is, the author want to present a procedural model for the integration of enterprise systems. So what is this important? There's a research citation shows that the needs of integration is also based on the economic aspects, such as expense factors in system runtime. So what has been done before? The literature review shows that there's a number of integration approach and concepts already exist. For example, like data function integration. And how is this study done? The implement is this research method, and then use a case study to explain the procedure model. And it have four parts, 4 steps. The first is the construction of systems. And the second is preparing of integration and the mapping of redundant functions. And both of them use questionnaire to find the results. And the third step is detect and assignment of service to record fragments. And they use the self-diagnosis mechanism. And the final step is orchestration of web service, and this is this model's process. And how are the results interpreted? The conclusion shows the model has been successful deployment in this case, and the integration process improvement, integration ability, interoperability, flexibility and sustainability, and also have some challenges. The self-diagnosis is still a big challenge, and the observation of method code is not most optimal way for very complex systems. And here's my idea. Why choose this article? Because after reading this article, I know in the SOA-based how to company integrate their enterprise systems, and know how to develop a model and use case study to interpret. And here's my comments about this article. This article use SOA approach maybe because it have the advantage of needs of enterprise. And the second is about a case study. If you want to convenience the reader believe the model, and each step should be very detailed, and at least 2 case study. And this case study is combine the function similar, and you should compare with the function non-similar, and then compare both other. And this case study doesn't refer many about what system integration after. And if you have mentioned, this article will be more future research. And here is my presentation. Thanks for. Does anyone have question for this article or? So I choose 3 comments or questions from Moodles. The first is Joanna Chu. He said the model first and second step. The question the author give us and why they mention these questions based on what. So I think it's a good question for the model. And second is Alice. He said this model should give it a feedback to make sure that you don't mix any text or functions. I think this is a good suggestion because when you integration, you will miss any redundant function or like that. And the last is Zhang Jianjun. He have a question for is using SOA project profitable in non-profit organization? I think if anyone organization or profit or non-profit, if you want to try implement them and you can implement use SOA project. And here's I choose from the Moodle's discussion forum. Thank you.